Hello and welcome to Star Wars Obsessed. So I got in this AT-AT and it was really gross and really dirty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this AT-AT and make it look absolutely fantastic. So that's what this video is all about. Me cleaning this AT-AT. Here is leg number 1. As you can see, it's quite dirty. It has one sticker, and so I'm going to do whatever I can to keep this sticker. I don't want to remove it. I know I can remove it with the lighter fluid, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to just try and clean around it. But you can see how really dirty this is. It looks like dust. Possibly this was played with outside. It has a crayon. I'll try to remove that crayon. I wonder if I could scratch it off. Let's see. I don't know what that is, so I'll see what I can do to remove that. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. And in here, I want to take this apart. So I have my screwdriver, and I was actually afraid to do this. I was really afraid to take this apart. It took me a while to make that decision, but what really helped me... Oh, looks like it's slightly damaged right here. That's a bummer. What really helped me was watching an episode of Toy Polloi, where he had these legs and took them apart. He just screwed them apart, and it would look pretty easy. So now I have the confidence to take this leg apart. Thanks to Toy Polloi. So here we go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it one at a time. So I'm going to take this leg apart, put the screws aside, clean it, then put it back together because I don't want to mix up any parts at all. I don't want to have the chance for anything missing or any parts interchanging and so forth. This screw looks pretty dirty. I wonder if I can clean it up. This one right here. Okay. So it comes off easily. And all the parts look good. Let's shake this out. There we go. So it just goes on just like that. Alright. And this one, I have to unscrew this part right here. It's pretty easy. And this comes apart. And there we go. That's really gross. Wow. What is that? It feels like oil. Like somebody tried to lubricate this. I'm actually going to smell it. Yeah, it feels like lubricating, or it feels like and smells like lubricating oil, which is really unnecessary, but now this explains the dirt. Okay. Alright, off to clean it. Alright, I just finished cleaning this first leg of the AT-AT, and wow, what a difference. All the old dust and the grime is gone. It looks so much better, so much cleaner. And this one, I was able to clean around the sticker, and I even got this red mark off thanks to the trusty lighter fluid. But all this old grime is gone. It looks almost new. This had that gross lubricant on it, so I was able to get that out. This I wasn't I could not figure out how to. I tried to heat up the plastic to bend it back, but I guess it's a different kind of plastic because it just wouldn't bend. Here is the other part of the leg that had all that lubricant right there, and it just made it really dirty and gross looking. So it's gone, and all the dirt that's in here, it's all gone. Looks nice and clean. And these little parts, nice and clean. So I'll just put it all together. Here's another leg, and you can just see the difference once I've cleaned it. Alright, time to clean this leg. Does this one have the ew, it has lubricant in this too. What is all that about? That's really gross. Alright, off to clean. Alright, leg number 2 is clean, and that nasty lubricant is gone. It looks so much better. Wow. It's amazing what a good cleaning will do. Time to put this together. Alright, that looks fantastic. Alright, here is leg number 3, and this one is pretty dirty as well. Ugh, look at that. This one is quite the grime on it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, very dirty. This one doesn't have a sticker, so I can just immerse this whole thing in water, which will make it easier to clean, and hopefully I get all this dirt and grime off here, and I'm sure this has lubricant in it as well because it looks like it. Alright, so I will just take this apart and go clean it. Oh, look at that. That is really nasty. Time to get that off. Alright, leg number 3 is all cleaned, and this grossness that was the lubricant is gone. Looks so much better. Here it is, much better looking. Leg 3. Alright, now we're on the last leg. And this one looks just as dirty as all the other ones. And this one has a sticker and it's coming up. So I'll have to glue that back down. This one has that really gross, dirty part right here. Time to clean it. Take it apart and clean it. Let's look at the inside of this one. Oh, this one has no lubricant. Oh, nice. Let's clean. Alright, leg number 4 is clean. This one had discoloration, so I was able to remove it with the lighter fluid. This one I use a little bit of glue to stick down, and now it's all cleaned. All that nasty grime is out of the inside here. So, time to put it back together. Alright, here are the legs. They look so much better, nice and clean, ready to be put back on the the body of the AT-AT. But first, I just have to clean the body of the AT-AT. Thanks for watching Star Wars Obsessed. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. You can also check out more of my collection at the Star Wars Obsessed blog.